Venus, breathing. When we are traumatized, we can see that our breathing is isn't all right. The connection with the world isn't all right. Our memory is reproducing the same experiences, and then pastel is colorful, and it is important to use the colors. When the soul is traumatized, it lives in darkness, in black color. And when a person experiences just a little sorrow, then it falls into the depth of despair. It can't experience some slight sorrow. It goes immediately into the depth of despair. And then it is very important to help the person to experience a lot of slight, subtle colors. Then the soul can be more active and diverse in forming the world. You can take only 2 colors, 3 colors. You can create something with those colors. You can observe the sun sets and how does it happen in the world? How does the sun rise? What colors are there? How does our soul experience nature? Or to draw the fairy tales. It is also Venus. Those are archetypes that are very nourishing for soul. When the person is traumatized, it is on its own. It isn't connected anymore to the world. Jupiter, geometry, bringing the cosmic light into the darkness, the process of connecting the light of our consciousness and our will. How does our thoughts become our deeds? Something that we intend to do, how does it happen that we really do it? It is a very subtle connection. How do we digest food, for example? That's how we are connected with the world, how we interact with the world. We don't see this world, we don't understand this world unless we connect with it. We need to connect light and darkness, and geometry is helping us do it, because those are the forces, the laws of the spirit, and we are bringing our will into those laws.